How you going, guys? Just got a quick video on our Vhedia G series head unit today on how to set your steering wheel controls. So if you've got a car that doesn't have steering wheel controls come through a CAN bus, or it doesn't have a CAN bus at all, there's a good chance that they're just hardwired ones that need to be set on the unit. So you can try and find out from us whether your car had a CAN bus or not. Typically the biggest giveaway is if we've got a box, something like this, connected to the main wiring harness like that. But yeah, if you don't have that, it's very likely, and you do have steering wheel controls, that you need to set them like this. So if you come into settings and then you go to general, we'll have steering wheel. So pretty basic. All you need to do in here is tap a function on this screen and then tap it on the steering wheel control and it should set it. So if I tap, for example, the volume up, and then on the steering wheel I press volume up, it will remember that, and then you just need to hit save once you've done everything, and they should all be coming through. If for some reason they don't work when you're using them in here, go into long and try that as well. I think it just depends car to car on what kind of signal type it uses, but it's going to be one or the other. So yeah, any issues, if it's not setting or something like that, yeah, just come and reach out to us, because we'll confirm whether it's a CAN bus thing or if there's something with the wiring that we need to look at. But we've got a live chat on our website, we've got our emails and our phone calls, so don't hesitate to reach out. We'd like to help you out. Cheers, guys.